Hi, I'm Hillsboro Mayor Steve Calloway.
And I'm Fire Chief David Downey.
You know, we have a magnificent country and there's so much that's worth celebrating. But this year, let's celebrate the July 4th holiday without fireworks.
And if you do choose to use fireworks, please use legal fireworks on a paved surface and soak your fireworks in a bucket of water thoroughly after use.
We've just come through 16 months of pandemic, and we've made it through because we cared about each other and we took care of each other. Let's do that this weekend too, and happy 4th of July.